Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Careeraddawithsangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job. So guys, welcome to a new job update in my channel, and today the job update is from TELUS International Company. So this is a remote job opportunity, so you can start this job from your home and you just need a stable internet connection and a laptop or PC to start this job from your home. So let's discuss about the job. Here the job role is workforce management associate. Top primary location is Gurgaon, but work style they have mentioned remote, so no need to visit anywhere. It's come under business process outsourcing, which is BPO. So it's a non-technical job, so any graduate can apply for this job, and if your communication skill is very good, you can also get this job. Here they have mentioned the description and requirements, which is very important. So here they have mentioned some points. Important points are help create and maintain monthly schedules. Help the supervisors to choose the best time, create the new hire transition schedules. So critical skills, strong attention to detail, high level of proficiency in Microsoft Excel using pivot table. So from here you can get the points and you can mention them in the resume so that it gets shortlisted for this specific job. Here experience they have mentioned 2 to 6 years of experience relevant with WFM, job location remote, and shift timing flexible as per project timing. Night shifts are also included. So this job is not for the freshers. If you have experience at least of 2 years, you can apply for this role, but any experience is okay for this job. If you have done any kind of reporting work, any kind of BPO related work, any kind of customer service related work, you can apply for this job, and any graduate can apply for this job, so no need to worry about it. If you have 2 years of work experience in any domain, you can apply for this role. Here they have provided the apply button. I will provide you the link in the description box so that you can also get this page and you can apply for this role. It is an international company, so you can expect a good salary as an experienced employee in this organization. So to apply for this role, you just need to click on the apply now button, and after that you will get the form. You just need to fill up with all your details, and after that you can upload your resume and you can submit the form. After that the HR team will review your profile, and if your profile got shortlisted for this role, they will mail you or call you for the interview purpose. Thank you. So this is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.